Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix your missing IP pin e-file reject TurboTax support video. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Here, the IRS has recently provided with a identity protection personal identification number, which is IP pin, to safeguard your identity. Now, for some reason, if you haven't entered in your IP pin, then what you need to do is find your CP01A letter, and then there you'll be finding your assigned 2023 IP pin number. Now here what you need to do is simply copy it, and once you copy that, head over to TurboTax website, and once you're there, on the left hand side, simply select wages, and then there simply select federal, and you'll be seeing this page. Simply now click on fix my return, and once you click on fix my return, you'll be asked to refile your return, and here you'll be seeing the problem. Simply click on fix it now, and once you click on it, the next page will ask you to enter your identity protection pin. Enter in your IP protection pin right here, and once you're done with that, click on continue, and that's basically how you can fix the issue. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.